What's up, YouTube? It's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. You're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I'm doing 10,000 square foot of commercial carpet today. I'm going to be employing the Swirly Rotary machine, and I'm going to be using simple end cap and some 3M white polishing pads. And then everything will be vacuumed tomorrow morning by the maid service. So when I say I'm doing a encapsulation process, a true encapsulation process, we're going to be just basically applying the solution through the pad. The pads do absorb quite a bit of soil and any debris that it might pick up as well. Here's the product, simple end cap. It is a plant-based product. It is EPA approved as a safer choice product. Love to show these bottles to my clients when I'm in their home. Let them read over it, makes them feel safe and secure. If you want to carry the same equipment as me, pads as me, and product as me, there's always a link in the description below. Shout out to End Cap Store. This is the residue from yesterday's job in my measuring cup. And what this is awesome end cap. It's got a polymer base to it, same as the simple end cap. But there's proof that it dries down to a brittle crystal and just breaks apart. You can see that there. I'll break it apart so you can see it will adhere to anything in the carpet and then be vacuumed out. So that's what we're going to be accomplishing today. There it is. All right. So you get the idea. Zero soap residue, zero wick back, everything dries down, and will be vacuumed out the next day. Encapsulation cleaning is a pretty smooth and effective way to do a large amount of carpet, especially commercial carpeting, flat carpet, where you know the very next day it'll be vacuumed first thing in the morning. So here you can see I'm applying the solution through the shower feed option, which is the 2.5 gallon tank. And in the wagon, you can see back behind me, which you saw me bring in, I have a 5 gallon jug pre-mixed. And I'll just dump about 1 gallon to 2 gallons at a time into the tank and then work my way down the hallway away from the cord so I don't have to worry about managing the cord. And I do these carpets every year, so they're maintained very well by the housekeeping. They vacuum regularly and they do some spotting, which I've provided them with some green dragon that they can mix up in a bottle. But I walked all the way through the job today. Again, it's 10,000 square foot of carpet, and I looked to see if there was any spotting or specialty spotters that I may need, and everything looks fantastic. You know, from the maintenance that they've been doing, any spots or spills, they immediately mix up a little green dragon, take care of it. But like I said, there were some ink spots. I don't know if there were some kids that had markers or whatnot, but I think there's one coming up here. And you can use Magic Bullet. That'll usually take the ink out. Some people will use like an isopropyl alcohol, but I like to use just original Windex. And it's not the ammonia in the Windex that is breaking down the ink. It's actually a wetting agent. In the Windex, it has, if you read the ingredients, it has a wetting agent, which is almost like a water softener. And when it hits the ink, it just immediately disperses everything, loosens it all up so that it can be removed. All right, well, I appreciate y'all joining me for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I know this was a short video, but I've got a lot of square foot to get done. I'm doing it by myself today. So I do want to thank my loyal subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that notification for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.